Are you struggling to find profitable products on Amazon? You're not alone. Many sellers face this challenge daily. But what if there was a solution that could transform your Amazon business? Introducing Jungle Scout Catalyst. This powerful tool suite is designed to help you find, launch, and scale your Amazon products with ease. First, discover a wealth of product ideas in the largest Amazon database. Second, track keyword rankings to maximize visibility and conversions. Finally, streamline operations with actionable insights to enhance performance. What sets Jungle Scout Catalyst apart? Its unique ability to automate reviews and optimize PPC campaigns, saving you time and boosting ROI like never before. Don't just take our word for it. Dan Vass from Ecom Freedom says, without Jungle Scout, it would have been impossible to start and grow my Amazon FBA business. Ready to take your Amazon business to new heights? Sign up for Jungle Scout Catalyst today and unlock your potential.